Investing in the future for our tenants and residents, our capital investment programme. On the 24th of January 2018, the Housing and Communities Committee approved the Housing Revenue Account Budget for 5 years, from 2018 and 19 to 2022 and 23. The report to committee outlined the budget of the capital investment programme, totalling £70 million for this period. The capital investment plan includes funding for projects like our programme of new council house building and our housing investment programme. This investment will ensure that our housing stock continues to provide high quality homes for our tenants and that we comply with the Scottish Housing Quality Standard over the next 5 years. Central heating upgrades. Phase 2 of our central heating upgrading programme with contractor Keepmoat started in November 2015, and since then over 2,000 houses have already received new heating systems. The contract value is over £6 million. Since 2012, we have upgraded heating systems in 5,318 houses, which is 71% of the stock. We've also extended the gas network to reach 1,584 houses, which previously had no access to a mains gas supply. This work will continue during Phase 3 of the programme, which will see a further £5.2 million spent over the next 3 years. Window and door replacement. Phase 2 of this project started in August 2015. And since then, 1,629 houses have been fitted with new triple glazed windows and insulated doors. Through this contract and earlier phases of the upgrading programme, a total of 1,964 council houses now have triple glazed windows, which is more than 26% of the stock. A new contract award for a value of £2.6 million was issued to local contractor City in October 2017. Phase 3 of the programme will run over the next 3 years and will see a further £2.6 million spent. Controlled door entry and communal lighting programme. The fourth phase of our controlled door entry programme has now been completed. 130 blocks have been upgraded in this phase of the programme with an investment of over £1 million. Kitchen and bathroom upgrading programme. During 2017 and 18, we have spent £500,000 to upgrade 94 kitchens and 203 bathrooms. The Council's main kitchen and bathroom refurbishment programmes were carried out between 2005 to 2010. External fabric upgrading environmental improvements programme. The current phase of this programme is continuing to focus on the replacement of external building features such as roof coverings, rendering and fascias. We have also improved the safety and integrity of defective retaining walls, steps, footpaths and surfacing. Over £1.8 million has been invested in the programme. Garage sites and lockups upgrading programme. The garage site and lockup refurbishment programme is now complete, with only a few minor snagging works to finish off. Over £2 million has been spent on the programme. Energy efficiency programme. The external wall insulation programme, in partnership with SSE, has continued to improve more houses throughout 2017. These works are aimed at providing wall insulation to houses where traditional insulation can't be used. The latest phase of the programme has included 30 council houses and 44 private houses in the Isla Road area of Alyth, and 80 council houses and 149 private houses in the Darnhall area of Perth. New house building programme. We are committed to providing more high-quality homes for people in Perth and Kinross. Our multi-million pound programme of new builds has already delivered over 200 new houses and apartments for tenants. In 2017, we continued delivering high-quality homes, completing new developments in Nimmo Place, Cairns Crescent and Glenare Road in Perth. Further builds are either underway or planned for Birch Avenue in Scone, Crieff Road in Perth, Main Street in Invergowrie, Blackthorn Place, Blairgowrie, Milne Street, Perth, and at the former Glebe site in Scone. All of this investment will make sure that our housing stock will continue to be amongst the best in Scotland, and that we can provide warm, secure, and high quality homes for all of our tenants now and into the future.